Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Nissan Frontier cabin air filter. First, open your glove box on the passenger side of your truck. Remove all contents from inside the glove box to ensure you have clear and unobstructed access. This simple step provides ample space to work. You will need a new cabin air filter and possibly a small flathead screwdriver for this straightforward task. Now, gently press inward on both sides of the glove box. This action will release the small plastic stops, allowing the glove box to swing down further. Carefully lower it until you see the cabin air filter housing behind it. If your glove box has a dampener arm on the right side, gently unclip it to allow the glove box to hang completely free. With the glove box out of the way, you will see the rectangular cabin air filter housing. There are usually two small clips, one on each side, that hold the cover in place. Unclip these, then remove the cover. Carefully pull the old, dirty filter straight out. Note its orientation. Insert your new filter, making sure the airflow arrow on the filter points towards the rear of the vehicle. To finish, reattach the dampener arm if you disconnected it. Then, carefully push the glove box back into its original position, ensuring the side stops engage properly. Close the glove box and check that it latches securely and opens smoothly. This easy maintenance improves your air quality. For more great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.